Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to the app. Phantom already has a built-in browser that shows suggested sites, tokens, app, NFTs, etc. This is actually the safest way to connect to the apps because Phantom filters and suggests more trusted platform. You do not need to search on external sites. So first you need to unlock your phone and launch the app, and you can simply open it with your Face ID or your password as well. And once you get into this interface of your Phantom app, what you can do is in the bottom right there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar. Over here, you can simply search for any of the sites or tokens or URL in the top, or you can also find the popular trending tokens, NFT platform. Tap any site that you want to use. As I'm going to select to this one of the trending tokens here. And from here, you need to connect it to the DApps, and here's how. And then you can choose to support the app or website, scan the QR code if using mobile device, or approve the connection on your browser extension and confirm the connection. After that, Phantom Wallet prompt you, and you can now interact with the DApp using your wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and always double check the DApp URL before connecting. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.